So that, and then the other thing is that stream that I spoke about. This is the Microsoft Video um, storage, and again, I talked about it all being in SharePoint. That's the platform all this data lives on. But I can recap the meeting, list action items, show me the parts where. Um, I don't know. I could come up with something, I would think, where you know, email was discussed. It's also cool for whenever you're like, dude, I know I told all y'all that in the meeting, and everybody's like, you didn't. Well, this will dang sure help you, because it talks about the spring cleaning email campaign and exactly where it happened in the video, and it'll take you to that very part. It gives you kind of a scenario, takes you to that very part, and again, all that happened. Everything that happened right there was simply by hitting record meeting. So all that other stuff just automatically happened, and I can use Copilot now to go back and search this one meeting, or I could go back and search that entire Teams meeting for every meeting that we've ever had. So I'll just show you that scenario there. And there's still